check this out. This is a Dragonfly I just created from collecting crashed FPV drone parts from myself learning to fly, and also Troncatfpv. If you're interested in the parts that I used, I have a 5.8 gigahertz antenna, a sled that I attached using a little bit of adhesive, and I screwed holes into the sides to attach the props using screws. And I have a brushless motor that was junked from losing a third wire, and it works perfectly as the Dragonfly's head with the two antennas.